Yo, what's good, man? Today we gonna change this piece in my car. I've been having some issues with my brights coming on when I'm turning my signal. So we gonna change this piece right here. Y'all looking at it. It's an easy ass piece to change. You just do some shit over there and take out 2 screws and the shit gonna come out. The shit easy as fuck to do. I'm just giving y'all the video showing y'all how easy it is. I done already took it out and everything. 3 clamps back there. It's an easy ass fix. So yeah, I'm just showing y'all right here. That's where it's gonna go. This is the piece. The piece costs $40 off Amazon, and man, this was easy. This took less than 15 minutes to do this. Like I said, this is a Chevy Impala 2012, as you can see. So basically you gonna take off some covers, one under here, take out the bolts from under here, and you're gonna need to snatch that out. That just snatches out, not a big deal. And the top cover gonna come off too. This is easy. It ain't really none you gotta be worried about, but just taking this out and putting this back in. It's a screw up at the top, it's a screw at the bottom. You turn your wheel all the way because it's gonna be a screw there, and it's gonna be a screw on the top. I'm just letting y'all see. Turn your steering wheel. It's gonna be, easy shit. So you just take those plates off, and man, like I said, this was an easy ass job. 3 clamps. Get you a screwdriver, pop those. Like they said, the screws is a T25 or a T20, which that's easy shit to find. I found mine around the house, just laying down somewhere, and man, I made it happen, man. Now, this the turn signal to a 2012 Chevy Impala that I just fixed. I took off that plate, and you're gonna have to take off that plate too. It's 2 screws that hold it on back there, and you just pull this down, and it's gonna come off. Then that's gonna come off. Then that's gonna come off. And then you're gonna be working good. Look how it's working good. Man, this shit took me less than 10 minutes, and y'all already know old Jizzle is out.